Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, we are back here with something I don't know why I never shared this recipe before. I did oven barbecue chicken, but I never did my oven barbecue chicken wings. Look at these chicken wings here. Look at the size of them. And y'all been following me in long enough in the last few months and years. Y'all know I get chicken wings $1.99 a pound, like once a month. Farmers Meat Market here in Houston, they have two of them, and they put them on sale for about 4 or 5 days, $1.99 a pound. And they ain't little wings. See how big these are? Nice size wings, chicken wings. And I usually go in there and buy me about 10 or 20 pounds of them. You get you 20 pounds of chicken wing for $40. That's a steal. And I'll put them in my little food saver bags, and I'll be stocked up for a couple of months on chicken wings. So what I'm gonna do today, y'all, I'm gonna do my oven honey barbecue chicken wings. That's what I'm gonna do today. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna step off. I'm gonna cut these wings up in little portions. Sometimes I'll get lazy, y'all, and I just throw them in here like this. But we're gonna be fancy. I'm gonna do them nicely so they look nice and presentable. And we're gonna put all I'm gonna do, though. I'm gonna season them up with my cavenders and my shake and my salt and pepper. Put them in the oven. We're gonna bake them like that, baby, 25-30 minutes, and it get nice and done. Take them out. We're gonna toss them in my honey barbecue sauce. Put them back in the oven till they get that nice crystallization and stickiness on them, and they're gonna be absolutely amazing. So anyway, y'all, let me step off, get these cut up, and get the bowl, get them seasoned up, and we'll go from there. It's very simple, very easy, y'all. Best way to eat chicken wings, I think. And it's just like you made them outside on the pit. It's only between me and you we did. Anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. All right, I got my chicken wings all washed up and clean, y'all. I'm going to put them in this bowl here. And make sure you wash your chicken off, y'all, as much as possible. It is have salmonella and all that in it, so I always like to wash my chicken wings. Okay, first thing I do, like I say, cut them up. I'm not going to use the tips, y'all. I'm going to actually freeze these. I'm going to use it for my turkey stock. I'm going to add that in my turkey stock for Thanksgiving. So I'm going to just start saving up my chicken tips. That'll help on my turkey stock for next month. Okay, I'm going to put a little Worcestershire sauce on there. Worcestershire sauce. And put a little liquid smoke on here. Gotta have that liquid smoke on there. Give me 1 second here, y'all. 1 second here. Okay, now next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some oil on here. We don't put a little oil because I want the spices to kind of stick to the chicken. So we're gonna toss that in there with the little oil on there. And the oil, like I say, all that's gonna do is help the seasoning kind of stick to the chicken. We're gonna put some salt and pepper. Put some cavenders here, Greek seasoning. Give me a little spoon here. I know I love my cavenders here. Been using this for over 40 years. And my old school soul food Uncle Steve shake, sweet or spicy herb. Put that on there. It's gonna be nice and seasoned chicken wings, y'all. Nice and seasoned chicken wings. Okay. Give you a little toss. Toss it, toss. You can see with that oil on there, it's gonna help the chicken wings, the seasoning adhere. You see that fancy word? Adhere. I'm getting fancy with y'all. But that means stick to the chicken wings. That's what that means. Sometimes I gotta throw y'all for a little loop there. Oh, Chef Jeffrey know them fancy. Oh yeah, I wasn't born yesterday. I got a little education too, y'all. Okay, let me move this out the way. Okay. Oh, but we got some punctuation police out there. They're gonna say that ain't what that means. But you got those out there, y'all. I love them. Just come on the channel looking for drama. Okay, we're gonna put these on the here on the pan here. I like to do skin side up much as possible. It is not really necessary, y'all, but I definitely like to do the skin side up on here. There we go. Look at that, y'all. Smells absolutely amazing in here, y'all. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Make sure you mix them all up in there. Make sure you get them all mixed up in that stuff really, really good, y'all. That's the key. Nice little marinade in there. Shoot, I'm gonna put a little bit more down there and get all this enough marinade on this chicken. I'm not gonna pour it on there, y'all. I'm just gonna kind of do it like this. Make sure they all good and mixed up in there. Make sure I get all that marinade on there. Oh yeah, this smells good with the Worcestershire sauce, y'all, and the liquid smoke and all of this seasoning. And there we go. Here's a couple more. Need some a little more extra seasoning on it. I ain't wasting nothing, y'all. I ain't wasting nothing. All right, we're gonna put these in the oven 400 degrees, y'all. I usually don't cook on 400 degrees, but this one I'm making an exception, 400 degrees, about 15-20 minutes. We're definitely gonna come back and check it out, but 15-20 minutes, and then if we have to cover it, we will. But usually they don't take no more than 15-20 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back. We're gonna drain them. We're gonna toss it in the honey barbecue sauce, and we'll put it back in the oven another 15 minutes or so. Usually take about 35-40 minutes to cook these chicken wings. Anyway, y'all, we will be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Look how beautiful is this, y'all. Now, they all pretty much, this has been, actually I let these go 30 minutes. So now all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna take these off the pan. And I'm gonna drain this water off of them. Nice color on them, y'all. I'm gonna drain this liquid off of it. Let's say this is a good way to get you some barbecue chicken wings, y'all. With all the hassle outside and the heat. Pour that liquid off of there. Alrighty. Now all I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get my honey and my barbecue sauce. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you want to use, y'all. Any one you want to use. Y'all know I use real honey. Got honey on there. And I'm gonna use some Head Country barbecue sauce. You can use your definitely use your Sweet Baby Ray's, but whatever barbecue sauce you want to use, y'all. Doesn't matter. Okay. Let me get my, actually here, we just gonna toss this in here really good. Let that barbecue sauce soak in there, y'all. And you know I'm gonna brush this on here too, y'all. And we're gonna go all the way up to 450 on this. Because we want to get a nice caramelization on them. Put them on here. I'm definitely going to pour some more sauce on top, y'all. Don't worry. You want to get that initial toss on there. Really soaked in there. Then we're going to come back and we're going to pour the rest of the sauce, brush the rest of the sauce on the top. We ain't wasting nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. It smells amazing, y'all. Now we're gonna get our brush here. And we're just gonna go back here. We're just gonna brush this on here. Just over here, y'all can see it. Brush all that sauce on there. We're gonna save a little of the sauce, yes sir, for dipping. Now it's gonna be safe for dipping, y'all. Look at this here. Look at this here. Oh yeah. All that on there. And we're gonna make a little. We got a barbecue sauce in the bottle for dipping. Look at that. Look at that. 450 degrees. Cause we want to get a nice caramelization on this sauce, y'all. And be nice and sticky, and it'll stick to the chicken. So anyway, we will be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Look at these nice. Look at that. Look how that sauce just go on there, y'all. Look at that. Nice barbecue wings. Look at that. See how that sauce just sticks to that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna roll around in this sauce a little bit more, and I'm gonna put it on the plate here. And we're going to come back. I'm telling y'all, football season is already on us. It's fall. Holidays coming around in the next couple of months. This is something you can definitely do on the holidays when people just a little appetizer for the big thing get ready. This is definitely something you can do. So anyway, I'm going to plate this up, y'all. Come back here. You know, I got to prove to y'all how good it is. Even though I do these all the time. But I got to prove to the naysayers out there how good it is. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. As promised, look at this. Look at that nice sticky wings here. These whole plate of wings cost me, because this is not even, this is about, I think this is 2 pounds. So these cost me, it was $1.99 a pound. So all these wings cost me $4. That's why I say wing places, they rip you off. You cannot go to a wing place and get a big old plate of wings like that for $4. That's why I'm just so adamant about wing places ripping people off for what they're getting. It's ridiculous. I know you're trying to make money, but I'm very adamant about ripping people off for what they get. Stuff is already high enough. People work hard for their money, and you're ripping them off. It's just ridiculous. But that's a story for another time. But like I said, I get these $1.99 a pound. I usually go every 2 months. I'll buy me usually about 20 pounds. I'll buy me $40 worth, which fills up I get like 10 or 15 bags the way I do them of the chicken wings. So enough talking. You know I'm a flat guy. I'm gonna eat fancy here, y'all. I'm gonna get my fingers all sticky. Hold on, let me find that bone there to go through. Trying to be fancy. I know people gonna say, Chef Jeffy, just pick the wing up and eat it like you're supposed to. Just want to show y'all how that bone just come out of there. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that wing. Nice, beautiful chicken wing. How glossy, that honey glaze on there, honey barbecue glaze. It's so juicy, flavorful. Right. Look at that, y'all. How the glaze just stays on the chicken. That's the key. Here we go. I wish y'all was here to enjoy this. Who got perfectly cooked? I'm telling you, you don't need no dipping sauce for this. All your sauce is still on the chicken. See how it just sticks there? That's the key of the end. 450 degrees uncovered. About 10 minutes, 12 minutes. Make your sauce. Of course, put that honey in there. That takes it to the next level. So anyway, if you like this video, I'm telling you, this is good for the football season, y'all. Holiday season. You got an appetizer, having Christmas party. Hey, ain't nothing wrong. Hey, believe me, every party I have at my house, whether it's Super Bowl, Thanksgiving, Christmas, anything, I promise you, there's some chicken wings on my table. And sometimes I do 5 tons of chicken wings. Sometimes, some party. Super Bowl, I put 5 different flavors of chicken wings. But I promise you, there's chicken wings in my house. Any party. So anyway, if you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all and choked up. I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.